Taiwan, it is preparing for a war. China is threatening the island, and Taiwan is boosting its defenses.
We had a very good talk. I invited him here. We both accepted.
War between the US and China over Taiwan. The Defence Secretary, Pete Hegseth, has gone a lot further forward on this debate.
Beijing is credibly preparing to use military force to alter the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific.
China just reacted to the US president after his announcement about intentions of USA to protect countries like Taiwan. And China made it clear that the USA should abandon this idea. But China's warning to abandon this ambition with Taiwan is hurting China more than the USA. According to China, fighting for Taiwan will completely shift power dynamics in the world. And that's why China warned Trump to abandon this plan about Taiwan, once and for all, to end this conflict between these world leader countries. The problem is that the USA has very active plans to be involved in the world of geopolitics and protect Taiwan from China. But not surprisingly, Xi Jinping, the leader of China, reacted very strictly and almost warned Trump not to do this, or it won't end well for anyone. Things are very scary, so let's explain everything. So, the USA's Golden Dome, which was announced by Trump in May of this year, is the most sophisticated defense system in American history, and it revealed Trump's ambitions to be the most influential country in the world. One thing Trump made clear was that the USA will protect Taiwan and won't abandon this plan, even if it is worsening the relationship between the USA and China. According to Trump, China wants to invade and destroy Taiwan, and the USA will not abandon this country, especially after the USA, with the latest innovations, drastically improves its relationship with EU countries and will be able to utilize the Golden Dome anytime to defend and control ballistic missiles, drones, and other dangerous military weapons. Trump was very honest and said this about US plans. Now we have technology that will allow us to protect what we want, including hypersonic missiles, cruise missiles. All of those will be knocked out of the air, and the USA, being so persistent in its plans to defend Taiwan, might completely undercut Xi Jinping's influence in China. That's why Xi Jinping warned Donald Trump that Washington should handle the issue of Taiwan with caution to avoid a historical mistake with China. Right now, America's military push to defend Taiwan isn't just about the island. It's a direct hit to everything Xi Jinping's been building his image around. For years, Xi promised that Taiwan would return to China no matter what. That was supposed to be his legacy. But now, the US is stepping up in a serious way. We're talking joint drills, major weapon deals, and even floating ideas like the Golden Dome missile shield. And each move makes Xi look less like a strongman and more like someone whose threats are losing weight. Behind closed doors, China's top officials and military elites are starting to notice. Some of them are asking, if Xi is really this powerful, why does Taiwan keep slipping further away? That's why when Xi Jinping visited the USA, the first thing he did was to warn the USA. The US side should take real actions to honor its commitment of not supporting Taiwan independence, stop arming Taiwan, and support China's peaceful reunification. If America pulls this off, if Taiwan stays protected, and China can't do anything about it, then Xi's entire image takes a brutal hit. His power is tied to looking untouchable. But if Taiwan keeps standing firm, especially with American backup, the myth of Xi being in total control starts to crack. That's where it gets dangerous, because once people inside the Communist Party start questioning him, especially if they think he's caused economic pain or isolated China globally, then we're talking real instability. In China, everything is built on strength. And losing face over Taiwan, that might be the one thing Xi can't afford. Inside the CCP, Xi's grip on power is tied directly to his aggressive foreign policy. And in this policy, Taiwan is a centerpiece. However, as the US ramps up its ambitions and presence and keeps defending Taiwan, cracks could start forming. A lot of factions in the Communist Party are already nervous about the risks that can create military tension and economic fallout. That's why Xi Jinping warned, when the USA is not abandoning Taiwan, with this the USA is trying to goad Beijing into attacking Taiwan. But here's where it gets risky for the whole world. If Xi starts feeling cornered, if things look like they're falling apart internally, he might decide to act before it's too late. That could mean a full blockade of Taiwan, or worse, one wrong move in the Taiwan Strait, and this could blow up fast. With US carriers, missile systems, and bases already in the region, China wouldn't be striking a weak target. They'd be triggering an immediate American response. And from there, it spirals. Ego, fear, power. That's how wars start. Not because someone wants it, but because no one wants to look weak. And that's exactly why China voiced its objections. And now we're looking at a situation where China is flat out warning the US to abandon Taiwan. It's clear that this issue is worsening the conflict between these countries every day. They didn't hold back either. China issued a direct message: abandon Taiwan. No vague language, just straight up pressure. A message from China means, do it, or we will not be sitting without a direct response. Then they followed it up by telling Washington to stop playing with fire. And this wasn't random. It came right after US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth stepped on stage at the Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore in front of world leaders and went all in. According to Hegseth, the USA will not allow China to bully anyone, even if it will cause US-China relationship to deteriorate. They will not abandon their tactics with China and the defense of Taiwan. At that summit, Hegseth didn't tiptoe around anything. He said China is credibly preparing for war, and even accused them of rehearsing a full-on invasion of Taiwan. According to him, this isn't just about military drills. It's Beijing making serious moves to flip the power balance across Asia. And right now, those tensions, they're on the edge. China still insists Taiwan belongs to them, and they've made it clear they're willing to take it by force. But Taiwan's leadership isn't playing along. They pushed back hard, saying only the people of Taiwan get to choose their future, not Beijing. That's the core of this standoff. In addition, Xi Jinping slammed US plans to protect Taiwan, saying it a very dangerous situation in the world and the USA is playing with fire. One thing is for sure, the US unveiling of the Golden Dome missile defense system in May 2025 has pushed tensions with China to a whole new level. And that's the situation right now.